Think adventure bikes are either too small for highways or too big for trails? Wrong. There's a sweet spot where practical meets thrilling, and these 10 machines nail it perfectly. We're talking about bikes that'll commute to work Monday morning and conquer mountain passes by Friday afternoon. We're counting down the most practical adventure bikes that deliver pure joy from day one. No compromises, no excuses, no waiting for modifications to make them work. These are the machines that understand what real riders actually need. Let's ride. Number 10. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Price $5,999. Ever heard of a bike that broke every Royal Enfield rule in the book? Meet the Himalayan 450. This thing didn't just evolve. It completely shattered everything Royal Enfield stood for. For decades, Royal Enfield meant air-cooled, pushrod engines that leaked oil and vibrated like paint mixers. Charming? Sure. Practical for serious adventure riding? Not so much. Then came the Himalayan 450, and suddenly, Royal Enfield wasn't playing catch-up anymore. Liquid-cooled engine, first time ever for RE. DOHC head with 4 valves per cylinder, revolutionary. Assist and slipper clutch, they're finally joining the 21st century. That 452 cubic centimeters, single pumps out 40 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 29.5 pound-feet of torque at 5,500 RPM. The engineering leap is massive. Trellis frame with the engine as a stressed member. That's modern motorcycle architecture. Showa suspension with separate function inverted forks. That's serious hardware. Switchable ABS that actually works when you need it. 2 ride modes that make sense instead of confusing you. That 4-inch circular TFT display with Bluetooth and navigation. Welcome to the modern world, Royal Enfield. Here's what really matters. This bike will start every morning, run all day, and take you places the old Himalayan could only dream about. The reliability is there, the capability is real, and the price? $6,000 for a completely reimagined adventure machine. Royal Enfield finally built a bike that lives up to its Himalayan name, instead of just borrowing it. Coming up next, something that proves when you get dual sport DNA right, magic happens. Number 9, Honda CRF300L Rally. Price, $6,499. What happens when Honda takes their bulletproof dual sport formula and adds adventure bike swagger? You get the CRF300L Rally. And here's why this matters more than you think. Most adventure bikes start as street bikes trying to go off-road. The CRF300L Rally? It started as a dual sport bike that learned highway manners. That's a completely different approach. This 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single delivers 27 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 19.6 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. Modest power? Sure. But here's what those numbers don't tell you. This thing is extremely sure-footed off tarmac. That dual sport DNA means it'll dance through trails that would make bigger ADVs cry, "Uncle." The fuel-injected engine is reliable in a way that only Honda knows how to build. We're talking about starting on the first push of the button, whether it's 20 below or 110 in the shade. Aluminum swing arm keeps things light and strong. Switchable ABS gives you options when the pavement ends. All-digital instrument cluster keeps you informed without overwhelming you with data you don't need. Here's the real magic. This engine has enough oomph for short highway stints, but never feels stressed doing it. It's not trying to be something it's not. You can commute on this thing all week, then hit fire roads on Saturday morning without changing a single setting. It just works. $6,500 gets you a machine that's equally happy navigating city traffic or exploring trails that don't show up on GPS. That's the Honda difference. They build bikes that work in the real world, not just on spec sheets. But wait until you see what Kawasaki just dropped into this fight. Number 8, Kawasaki KLE500. Price, $6,599. Here's a name that's old, but a bike that's completely new. And there's a story here worth telling. The KLE500 nameplate disappeared years ago, but Kawasaki brought it back for a reason. They finally figured out what middleweight adventure riding should actually be. For too long, if you wanted something from Kawasaki to travel regardless of tarmac, you were stuck with some version of the KLR. Great bikes, but getting long in the tooth. The new KLE500 changes everything. That 451 cubic centimeters, 180-degree parallel twin cranks, out an estimated 51 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 31.7 pound-feet at 7,500 RPM. But it's not just about the power. It's about the package. Trellis frame that's both light and strong. Adjustable windshield that actually works. 21-inch front spoke rim for serious off-road capability. This isn't just an update. It's a complete rethink of what a middleweight ADV should be. Kawasaki looked at what riders actually do with these bikes and built accordingly. The parallel twin configuration gives you that smooth power delivery without the complexity of a four-cylinder or the vibration of a big single. It's the sweet spot for adventure riding. And if you upgrade to the KLE500 SE, even more goodies await. Kawasaki isn't just building one bike, they're building a platform. For $6,600, Kawasaki just gave serious adventure riders exactly what they've been asking for. A bike that's modern, capable, and priced like they actually want to sell them. Speaking of serious capability, number 7 gets aggressive in all the right ways. Number 7, KTM 390 Adventure R. Price, $7,699. Despite a recent 10% price hike, this orange beast still delivers more capability per dollar than anything else in its class. The 390 Adventure R remains the most aggressive adventure bike in its class. While others play it safe, KTM built this thing to go further off-road than any competitor dares. And here's why that matters. Most adventure bikes are built for adventure bike riders. The 390 Adventure R, it's built for riders who actually adventure. That 399 cubic centimeters single screams out 44 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 28.7 pound-feet at 6,700 RPM. But here's where it gets serious. Long travel, fully adjustable WP suspension. This isn't budget suspension with fancy stickers. This is the real deal. The same stuff KTM puts on bikes costing twice as much. 6-axis IMU that knows exactly what the bike is doing at all times. Switchable ABS and traction control that you can actually turn off when the situation demands it. Two-way quick shifter standard, not an expensive option. The electronics package includes a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth and navigation. This isn't just an adventure bike. It's a high-tech weapon disguised as practical transportation. Assist and slipper clutch keeps things manageable when you're learning. The suspension and electronics give you confidence to push boundaries you never thought possible on a small displacement bike. Here's what KTM understands that others don't. Capability isn't about engine size. It's about having the right tools for the job. The 390 Adventure R gives you professional-grade tools at an amateur price. $7,700 gets you the most capable, small displacement ADV money can buy. This thing will embarrass bigger, more expensive bikes in the right conditions. But if you want proven reliability over cutting-edge tech, number 6, Yamaha Ténéré 700. Price, $10,999. Not only is the Ténéré 700 one of the most affordable middleweight adventure bikes, it's also one of the most capable. And there's a reason it has such a cult following. This thing is light, friendly, and the only intimidating thing about it is that relatively tall seat. But once you're moving, all that disappears. The 689 cubic centimeter CP2 engine makes 72.4 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 50.2 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. Here's the genius. That 270-degree parallel twin makes the most of its power by offering a good spread of torque. It's not about peak numbers, it's about usable power everywhere you need it. The CP2 engine comes from Yamaha's MT-07 street bike, where it's been proving itself bulletproof for years. Same basic motor, just tuned for adventure duty, with longer service intervals and more robust components. Now it's even better with by-wire throttle, ride modes, and optional two-way quick shifter. Yamaha listened to what riders wanted and delivered. It was always good off-road. That's where the Ténéré earned its reputation. But the new taller windscreen makes highway miles more comfortable without creating buffeting. Here's what makes the Ténéré special. It's approachable. You don't need to be Dakar ready to enjoy this bike. It'll teach you to be a better rider without punishing your mistakes. The suspension is well-tuned for real-world riding. The ergonomics work for a wide range of riders. The reliability is legendary. This is Yamaha we're talking about. 11 grand gets you a machine that's equally at home crossing continents or carving single track. It's the bike that proves you don't need to spend stupid money to get serious capability. Coming up, Italian flair meets adventure capability in ways you wouldn't expect. Number 5, Aprilia Tuareg 660. Price, $12,499. The Tuareg is 3 years old now, but you wouldn't believe it looking at the spec sheet. This thing still feels cutting edge. Sure, it seems expensive compared to the Yamaha, but here's the thing. You're paying for more than just the badge. You're paying for Italian engineering that actually works. That 659 cubic centimeters, 270-degree parallel twin delivers 80 horsepower at 9,250 RPM and 51.6 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. We know this engine is capable of over 100 horsepower in other applications, but Aprilia tuned it for safer, torque-rich delivery in the Tuareg. That's smart engineering, not lazy tuning. Full adjustable KYB suspension front and rear. Brembo brakes that'll stop you on a dime. Assist and slipper clutch that makes the power manageable. Two-way quick shifter that works seamlessly. And the electronics? This is where Aprilia shines, the full electronic suite that Aprilia is famous for. Multiple riding modes that actually change how the bike behaves. Traction control that's sophisticated enough to let you have fun while keeping you safe. The build quality is exceptional. The attention to detail is what you'd expect from a premium Italian brand. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Here's what the Tuareg gets right. It looks exotic but rides predictably. It's sophisticated without being complicated. It's capable without being intimidating. 12.5 grand gets you Italian engineering with adventure bike practicality. It's the bike for riders who want something special, but still need it to work every day. But if you want something completely different from the mainstream, number 4, Honda Africa Twin DCT. Price, $15,599. The Africa Twin forges its own path, literally and figuratively. And in a world of Me Too adventure bikes, that's exactly what we need. It doesn't chase high horsepower figures like the Germans. It doesn't compete with electronics overload like the Austrians. Instead, Honda built something unique, a bike that just works everywhere, all the time. That 1,084 cubic centimeters, 270-degree parallel twin produces 100.5 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 82.6 pound-feet at 5,500 RPM. The Unicamso HC head makes it shorter and narrower than you'd expect. Even with the 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, this feels like a very narrow bike between your legs. Here's the magic. That DCT gearbox has a G-switch that allows you to slip the clutch for slow, technical work. When you're crawling over rocks or through sand, you can modulate power like a manual clutch. Everywhere else, it shifts smoother than you ever could. The DCT system uses 2 separate clutches, one for odd gears, one for even gears. While you're in 3rd gear, 4th is already pre-selected and ready to engage instantly. The result is seamless shifts that are actually faster than most riders can manage manually. 6-axis IMU that knows exactly what the bike is doing. Traction control with levels including off for when you want to play, switchable ABS that works on any surface, ride modes that actually make sense, touchscreen TFT display that's easy to read in any light. Here's what Honda understands. Adventure riding isn't about having the most power or the fanciest electronics. It's about having a bike that never lets you down, no matter where you are or what you're doing. 15.6 gets you Honda's unique take on adventure riding. This thing will cross continents and still feel fresh when you arrive. Speaking of unique approaches to adventure riding, number 3, KTM 890. Adventure R. Price, $15,799. The 890 Adventure R is like the 390 Adventure R's bigger, badder brother. It takes everything that made the smaller bike special and amplifies it. This is what happens when KTM builds a bike for riders who've outgrown the 390, but still want that aggressive, go-anywhere attitude. It's designed to go off-road, but with good manners on tarmac as well. That's a harder balance to strike than you might think. That 889 cubic centimeters, 270-degree parallel twin cranks out 105 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 73.7 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. But here's the key. This engine is designed to produce 150-plus horsepower in race trim, but it's detuned to 105 for reliability. That means every component is overbuilt for the street application. Powerful engine that pulls cleanly from 2,000 RPM to redline. Light chassis that makes the bike feel smaller than it is. Fully adjustable suspension that can handle everything from highway cruising to serious off-road work. 6-axis IMU that enables sophisticated electronics. By-wire throttle that allows for precise power delivery mapping. The electronic suite is comprehensive. Multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, the works. Two-way quick shifter is optional, but it's worth every penny. Seamless upshifts and downshifts that make the bike feel like it's reading your mind. For even more off-road capability, check out the 890 Adventure R Rally. KTM takes the already capable R and adds even more suspension travel, skid plates, and off-road focused geometry. Here's what makes the 890 special. It's a bike that can keep up with your skills as they develop. Beginner-friendly when you need it to be, but capable of serious performance when you're ready. 15.8 gets you everything you need for serious adventure riding. Power, handling, and electronics that actually enhance the experience instead of getting in the way. But if you want something truly special, something with soul. Number 2, Ducati DesertX. Price, $18,495. The DesertX lies in no man's land among full-size ADVs, and that's exactly what makes it special. This isn't a bike for everyone. It's a bike for riders who want something different. Its off-road prowess is unquestionable. This thing was built to tackle terrain that would make other adventure bikes whimper. That 937 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin delivers 110 horsepower at 9,250 RPM and 68 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. But here's the thing. Its touring capabilities are held back by that exciting but expensive-to-maintain Testa Stretta engine. It's the price you pay for Italian passion. Fear not, though. The DesertX will ditch the desmodromic valve train for 2026 with a complete redesign and conventional valve springs with IVT. Ducati is addressing the maintenance concerns while keeping the character. You can expect it to keep the 6-axis IMU that enables sophisticated electronics, two-way quickshifter that works flawlessly, Brembo monoblock calipers that provide incredible stopping power, fully adjustable KYB suspension that can handle anything you throw at it. Those aggressive Pirelli tires come standard. Ducati isn't messing around with compromised rubber. Here's what the DesertX gets right. It looks like nothing else on the road. The styling is bold, aggressive, unmistakably Ducati. When you park this thing, people notice. The riding experience is pure Italian, emotional, engaging, rewarding when you get it right. This isn't a bike that coddles you. It's a bike that challenges you to be better. 1850 gets you Italian passion with serious off-road capability. It's not the practical choice, but it might be the right choice if you want something that stirs your soul every time you ride it. And now, the ultimate off-road weapon for riders who refuse to compromise. Number 1, KTM 1290. Super Adventure R, price $20,999. This is it, the off-road specific KTM full-size adventure bike. The machine that proves you don't have to choose between highway comfort and trail capability. If you're going to spend serious time off-road and touring, this is pretty much the only full-size ADV option with the necessary hardware from the factory. At least until the 1390 Super Adventure comes along. That 1,301 cubic centimeters, 75-degree V-twin unleashes 160 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 101.7 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM. Those are serious numbers, but it's how that power is delivered that matters. Smooth, controllable, available everywhere in the rev range. This engine will pull cleanly from 2,000 RPM or scream to redline. Your choice. 21 18-inch wheel combination that's optimized for off-road capability. Fixed, higher seat height that gives you a commanding view and proper ground clearance. More suspension travel than the Super Adventure S. You don't get the electronic suspension of the S model, but you get something better. Fully adjustable conventional suspension that you can set up exactly how you want it and know it'll stay that way. The chassis is designed to handle way more stress than you'll ever give it. This is a bike that can handle Dakar-level abuse and still be comfortable enough for cross-country touring. Here's what makes the 1290 Super Adventure R special. It's uncompromising. KTM didn't try to make it all things to all people. They built it for riders who want maximum capability and are willing to pay for it. The electronics package is comprehensive without being overwhelming. The build quality is exceptional. The performance is simply staggering. This thing will eat highway miles all day, then tackle terrain that would stop lesser machines cold. It's the bike for riders who refuse to accept limitations. 21 grand gets you the ultimate adventure weapon. This is what happens when KTM builds a bike for riders who demand the absolute best. These 10 machines prove there's a sweet spot where practical meets thrilling, where capability meets reliability, where dreams meet reality. From the budget-friendly Himalayan 450 that proves Royal Enfield finally gets it, to the no-compromise 1290 Super Adventure R that redefines what's possible. There's an adventure bike that'll deliver joy from the moment you twist the key. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to find your perfect adventure machine. Still got fuel in the tank? Click the next video right here, and let's keep exploring what makes these bikes so special.